Well, we're at this beautiful beach right now, but what happened is Ian crashed the drone and he can't find it. And the Find My Drone function is not working, so we're about to go look through fields and see if we can find this drone. It's very unlikely that we will. He's seeing if he can tell anything from the controller before we have to look through acres of field. So Ian is absolutely panicking right now because obviously it's an expensive drone. It's a relatively new drone, and he has spent the whole day filming beautiful coastal videos of Slayhead Drive, and not only will he have lost an expensive drone, but he'll have lost all that footage, so he's really upset. We crashed the drone in Scotland years ago, well, different drone, and that one, at least he saw the drone go down and he had an idea where it was. This, he has no idea. So, and the drone is not connected to the controller for some reason, so everything's just totally malfunctioning. All of the safety features that are supposed to enable you to find your drone. So just praying for a miracle right now. Also, apparently the battery was almost dead. So that's not a good sign. Nothing is looking promising at this point. Well, this part's really rocky, but he said the last thing he saw before the drone crashed was grass, but he said it was taller, more reedy looking grass, which I think means it's not really short grass like are in these cow fields, but who knows. The only positive thing I can say at this point is we're getting some more steps in today. There's gonna be a lot more hiking before we give up and go home. It's already almost 7. I think it's going to be a long day and a late dinner. Okay, this is taller grass here that we're walking through, so I'm gonna just stop filming and look. Ian's way off in the distance. Okay, one tiny ray of hope. Ian says he's connected to the drone now. So I'm gonna go over there and hopefully he can like make it beep or something and we can find it. Okay, now Ian is wandering through this tall grass here. I'm really wishing I had my hiking boots on right now and not shorts and trainers. I'm gonna go help him look. The grass is really tall.
I'm gonna disconnect again. And I'm gonna connect again. I want you to look. It's the picture that the drone has.
Oh. That's the last picture that the drone...
No, it's the current picture.
Oh, the drone is on, and it's showing this picture of the sky and some grass.
Except the grass isn't moving. So that's the only thing that makes me not sure. And then if you click on this map, you can hit Find My Drone. Mm-hmm. But it's not working.
What about use other maps?
That's not working.
Okay. Ian thinks the drone is somewhere in this huge field that has these plants in it because the upside down drone, it's just showing some of these plants and the sky. So I'm standing here in this really tall marshy grass, and we're gonna try and sweep this field and see if we can find this tiny little drone. This field is actually really big. This is more than a needle in a haystack. This is such a disaster. The drone is upside down, so we can't even hit return to home and have it lift off and come to him because it's upside down and crashed and possibly broken. So this is seeming kind of hopeless. Poor Ian, we have been walking around this field for an hour and it's just getting darker and really feeling pointless. He's really far away from me, but I just saw him bend down and pick something up and say, I found it. I literally am in shock right now. I cannot believe he found it. So tell me what happened.
So the good news is I found my drone, which I think gave about a 1% chance of doing since it was no longer connected when we started this whole search. The bad news is it's really badly damaged.
Oh, wow. Its little arm is just hanging by a thread.
Yeah. And it looks like this one's been damaged too, but
yeah, that one arm.
This one is really, I don't know. It must have hit like a barbed wire fence or something, but it ended up quite a ways from any fencing. So I don't know what happened.
How did you actually find it?
I just went back and forth in a systematic manner, knowing that I had some signal to the drone.
Did it ever beep? It was supposed to be beeping. Did it ever beep?
No, I didn't hear it beep.
But you just saw it. Did you see like a place in the grass where it was all cut with the blades?
No, I just saw it up ahead. I saw something up ahead that looked like it could be it, and as I approached, I could see that it was it.
Wow. Well, we'll see if it is repairable, and hopefully we can at least take the memory card out of it and have some footage from today. But now my camera battery is almost dead, so I'm gonna stop filming and we're gonna try and get out of here because the bugs are coming in and eating us alive. But woohoo, at least we found the drone. At least the drone didn't crash into these waves. We just got off the car ferry from Ireland and we're here in the Pembroke Dock in South Wales. And we went to this post office and we handed over our box that the drone had been packed in, and Ian showed the QR code that DJI sent him and they shipped it for free. So now they're going to assess it and see how bad the damage is and give us an estimate for the repair. And of course, if it's hundreds and hundreds of pounds, we will not have them repair it. We'll just give up and figure out how to get a new drone, but hopefully it's fixable. So stay tuned. So when we last left you, we had departed from Ireland, arrived in the UK and gone straight to the post office in Pembroke and shipped the drone back.
This was on the 18th of August and it was in the afternoon.
Yes. And then on the 19th of August, we flew to Norway.
And I received an email saying that they had received my drone. And then later they sent me an email that said that this is what they needed to do to repair the drone, and it would be 45 pounds total, including VAT.
So was that on the 19th or the 20th that they sent?
That was on the 19th.
So the same day they received it, they sent you an email saying that busted broken arm was going to cost you a total of 45 pounds, including VAT, including the shipping to them and back to us.
I expected it to be hundreds of pounds.
Yeah, we were like, oh, we're going to have to buy a new drone because it's going to be hundreds of pounds.
Yeah. And then
so you approved it that same day?
I approved it. Well, no, the next day, the 20th.
On the 20th, you said, okay, yes, that sounds good.
Yeah, the morning of the 20th. And then by the 21st, I received this notice: your drone will be at your relative's house today between 1 and 2.
So we're in Norway and we're not going back to the UK until May of next year. So we couldn't have it shipped to us. So we had a family member receive it for us. So they called us on the 21st to say, there's a delivery person here who's giving me this box and I'm supposed to give them a PIN code. And so we hadn't even seen the email with that PIN code yet. Yeah. So Ian's driving, I'm talking to them on the phone and I'm looking on his phone trying to find the PIN code, found it really fast. And we couldn't believe that the package was the drone, but sure enough. So
yeah,
from shipping it on the 18th, by the 21st, we'd received the fully repaired drone.
Yeah. Literally within 3 days, less than 3 days, we had shipped it out and received it repaired.
Yeah.
Just amazing.
Yeah, because you thought it was busted beyond hope.
Repair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're like, it wasn't even worth looking around the field finding it because it's just garbage now. I'm like, well, at least we didn't leave it for some farmer to run over with their field.
The only problem is I can't try it out to make sure that it's working okay.
Yeah. The other problem is we're in Norway and we're leaving tomorrow to go visit the fjords of Norway, and
where I would have loved to have had my drone.
Yeah. It's pretty much a dream come true to be able to film drone photography there, but oh well. We look forward to seeing our wee little drone next May. But word to wise, if you have a DJI drone and you
think it's broken beyond repair,
or you injure it in any way, it's really a good idea to send it to DJI to get it fixed.